welcome to another review. This is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you concerned because there are only few birds in your garden and is thinking about buying a birdhouse so that beautiful birds will flock into your garden again? Do you want to have a cardinal birdhouse or painted birdhouse but is on a tight budget? We have a beautifully made garden birdhouse for you. We would like you to know about the A-frame Cardinal birdhouse. This is a fully functional birdhouse that has an A-frame style roof fitted to match the base. Birds will surely rest in this beautiful and cozy birdhouse. This item can be hung by the rope and the top, which is tied on the inside for the extra support. One feature that we'll love about this item is that it has drain holes in the bottom and a clean-out door with a latch in the back for easy cleaning and maintenance. The entrance hole of this item measures 1 1/8 inch, which is just ideal for any bird to fit into. Squirrels cannot bother the lovely birds inside this birdhouse. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 5.25 by 6.5 by 7.5. Weight is 0.94. Model is Cardinal. The design of this birdhouse includes a hand-painted cardinal sitting on a branch near the entrance, while the rest of the house has a worn and rustic appearance, which will surely attract lovely birds. So what are you waiting for? Buy the A-frame Cardinal birdhouse today at a very affordable price and transform your garden into a haven for birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.